Kohli, often hailed as one of the greatest cricketers of the modern era, has left an indelible mark on the sport with his extraordinary talent, passion, and leadership. Born on November 5, 1988, in Delhi, India, Kohli has become a household name just in India, but also on the global. Cricket. Early life and journey to cricket stardom. Kohli's journey in cricket began at a young age. Nurtured by a supportive and sports-loving family, his father was a lawyer, and his mother worked in a housekeeping department at a private airline. As a child, Virat was passionate about cricket and displayed immense talent from a very early age. He joined the West Delhi Cricket Academy and began honing his skills. It didn't take long for him to make his presence felt in youth cricket, and he soon earned a place in the Delhi under-15 team. His hard work, dedication, and insatiable hunger for success soon catapulted him into the national under-19 team, where he was noticed for his aggressive batting style. Emergence as a cricketing sensation. Kohli made his international debut for India in August 2008. During an ODI match against Sri Lanka, he was just 19 years old at the time. His remarkable composure and technical brilliance at the crease caught the eye of fans and experts alike. He was hailed as a batting prodigy and soon cemented his place in the Indian cricket team. Captaincy and leadership. One of the defining aspects of Virat Kohli's career is his leadership. He took over the captaincy of the Indian cricket team in all formats, and his impact was immediate. Under his leadership, the Indian team has achieved numerous milestones, including historic Test series wins in Australia and becoming the top-ranked team in Test cricket. Kohli's aggression, work ethic, and lead-from-the-front attitude have earned him praise as one of the finest cricket captains in the world. Records and achievements. Kohli's career is adorned with numerous records and accomplishments, some of which include becoming the fastest player to score 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, and 11,000 runs in one day internationals ODIs, holding the record for the most double centuries, 200 or more runs in a single innings in Test cricket by an Indian, consistently ranking as the world's top batsman in ODIs and Test cricket, achieving numerous centuries in chase situations, underlining his reputation as a formidable run chaser. Captaincy and leadership. Virat Kohli's dedication to his fitness and training regimen is legendary. He's credited with bringing a culture of fitness and athleticism to Indian cricket. Off the field. Beyond his cricketing prowess, Kohli is known for his philanthropic efforts. He and his wife, Bollywood actress Anushka Sharma, have been involved in various charitable initiatives. Their focus includes children's health, animal welfare, and disaster relief efforts. Conclusion. Virat Kohli, the modern icon of Indian and world cricket, continues to inspire aspiring cricketers and capture the hearts of cricket fans worldwide. His dedication, consistency, and sheer brilliance on the field have earned him a special place in the annals of cricket history. His leadership as captain and his influence on the next generation of cricketers have solidified his legacy as he continues to delight cricket enthusiasts and break records. Virat Kohli remains a testament to what can be achieved through hard work, talent, and an unwavering commitment to excellence.